All right, just got these in from Dinan. I've got some 15 millimeters. I thought that this would be the correct size, man. That's the only crappy part about this. I have zero clue how to actually measure for fitment. So I just went ahead and ordered the 15. Probably could have used 12, maybe even 10s. Probably here on the back. Look, I already put one on this side. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna sit pretty good. Once it gets a little bit of squat, she might be perfectly snug. We'll see what's up. Like I said, if I gotta roll it a little bit, I've seen how they use cardboard and they fold it up, put it up in there, warm it, and then they just roll it around in there. Use the actual cardboard, or I can just buy one of those roller kits. But like I said, anyways, these are 15 millimeter right here. Dinan, these are like 77 bucks a piece. And see, this is what it looks like with before. See how it's pretty sunk in? Hold on, I'm about to flip the phone. There you go. See how it's pretty sunk in? As towards the opposite side with the actual spacer in it. I think it looks way better. It might fit perfect. Might have to, but either way, even if we got to roll it just maybe like a 35-degree angle, putting on that fender, it'll look, not on the fender, but right here on this little lip, put like a 35-degree angle, it'll probably look clean, perfect. But we won't know until we get the damn rotor set screw. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on the other side right here. And the rotor set screw is supposed to be here Wednesday from Turner Motorsports. I ordered them on Saturday because I went to the dealership. They did not have them. And also I ordered 6 millimeter spacers from Dinan that have not shipped yet for the front. Just might need just a hair. Just a hair. But other than that, I'll ride it like that. I'll set it down without those other spacers coming in, and we'll see how the fitment issue is in the back. Oh man, the car's looking really, really good. It looks way better with the damn, look at that, look how sunk in it looks with without wheel spacers. Those are 35. It looks really, really good with spacers. Really good with spacers. So hopefully it fits. Hopefully everything looks good. Like I said, I'm not going down too far, and I went from a 35 to a 30. So we should be all right. Plus, I needed just a little bit more spacing in the ass end where that strut was, and I believe I got it now. So. So in my opinion, the 15 millimeter looks money. We have to see once we drop it. Like I said, I need that front rotor set screw, which will come in on Wednesday before I can actually set the wheels on there, drop it down, and see if I'm gonna have to order some smaller ones or roll the fenders, which as of right now, it looks pretty good. What I had to do was get up under there because the dust cover, as you're working on it, this thicker rotor, the thicker rotor itself will actually touch the dust cover. So you have to push the dust cover back. When I was torquing on the actual lug nuts and it was rotating the tire, you could hear it kind of grinding, kind of like scraping. And I know that sound because it was happening on the other side where I had to bend it all back because it was completely flush and touching the actual rotor itself on the backside. No big deal. I just put my hand up underneath it, use a screwdriver to pry it up, put my hand underneath it and bend it back. It's really, really cheap aluminum, or like little sheet metal. Other than that, looks really, really good. Shout out to Dinan. Only problem is, I wish they would have sent me my 6 millimeters as well so that I could test the front side on the opposite, but no biggie. It's no real rush. Like I said, I need to get the set screw first, put that one on, and then be good to go. Oh, I also had to tighten up the little banjo bolt on the backside of the caliper. It looked like it had a little bit of fluid on it. It dripped on the wheel, but it dripped on the wheel right now, like when I moved the wheel. So it had a little residual. It took like maybe a 1/16 of a turn. I dried it up. It looks good now, but yeah, you never know, man. With expansion and pressure and then heat, especially here in Texas, look how hot it is, man. And I've only been in here for about 15 minutes and I'm pouring down sweat. I don't want to open the garage because like I just ceramic coated everything. So I even did the fiberglass, not the fiberglass, but the carbon fiber pieces for the side skirts and then the bumper splitters. I did those as well, ceramic coat. So I'm just trying to keep as much dust off as possible. Other than that, man, looks good. I like the way it sits. My wife likes it too. Gonna go ahead and once we get that set screw, put the other wheel on, get it lowered to the ground, see what adjustments are gonna have to be made on this. But other than that, it looks really, really good. I appreciate you all you guys tuning in. I will put the link down below to these wheel spacers.